Sadly, we can confirm, yes, that there's a second person who died as a result of cholera. Laboratory tests have proven that the second person has died of cholera. It's a 42-year-old female who was admitted at our Paris hospital because they lived in Paris. And then when they complicated, they were taken to the higher level of care, which is Boitumelo Hospital in Kroonstad, and they were treated there. Unfortunately, they demised. Upon demise, we then, commissioned the laboratory tests, and they came back positive. We received them, and then we took it upon ourselves to go to the family to break the news to them, make them understand the circumstances under which their next of kin passed away, and they have accepted that indeed it is cholera, and there was nothing anyone can do about it.
Mondli, do we know, how and where they may have contracted a cholera?
Well, it is unknown because as it is, the actual sources remain unknown, and that is why, as the Department of Health, we appreciate the hard work that is being done by Department of Water and Sanitation with COGTA, the municipalities there, environmental health practitioners as well. But we're pushing on as the Department of Health, supported by World Health Organization, NICD, and other development partners, to make sure that we educate, we raise awareness, we facilitate dialogues with the community on the best preventative measures to curb any potential infections of the disease, and also upon being infected, that people do not spread it. We kept the scale, that is, from going any further. So far, it's been hard, and for us, the second death is actually a low point for us. We send our condolences to the family, and we hope that very soon our efforts will continue to bear fruit, that we must have no more deaths in our province related to cholera.
Mondli, do we know whether she had indeed travelled outside of the province? Because we know that the Hammanskraal area in Gauteng has been dealing with the cholera outbreak. At the same time, how many cases, as the Free State Health Department, have you confirmed who have been contracted, with the cholera outbreak?
Well, the travel history of the patient beyond the borders of the Free State is unknown. However, it is known that the patient had relatives in Vredefort, which is an adjacent town about almost 10 kilometers apart, Paris and Vredefort. It is known that the patient had traveled to Vredefort. But as to the source of contamination, it is unknown. So the numbers of people that we have had who tested positive to cholera in our province so far has been 9 people, and unfortunately we have had these 2 deaths. So it remains cumulative. We have seen about 201 persons who've been presenting at our health facilities with the symptoms of diarrhea, and they've been treated successfully. The other people that we had tested positive to cholera were treated successfully and sent home. So it's hard work that has happened in the province, and we hope that we will not be experiencing any death. It's our biggest hope that the awareness messages will sink out there, and they will be owned by the people. They will also help to prevent any further spread.